on the topic introduction of pharmacovigilance. Before we starting the introduction of pharmacovigilance, see the definition of drug. What is drug? Drug is the any substance intended for the use of treatment, mitigation, cure or prevention of any disease. Now, what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is derived from two words, which is pharmakon and vigilaria. Pharmakon is derived from Greek word which means the drug or medicinal substance, and vigilia derived from Latin word which means to keep watch. So see, pharmacovigilance is the science and activities concerned with the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse reaction to the medicine. What are the objectives of the pharmacovigilance? To improve patient care and safety associated with the use of medicine, medicinal product and paramedical intervention, and to improve public health and safety associated with the use of medicine, to encourage education, understanding and clinical training of the pharmacovigilance, to identify the complication of the use of medicine, to evaluate advantage, risk of medicine, as well as promoting the safe, rational and more effective use of the medicine. So what are the scope in the pharmacovigilance? There are several areas where pharmacovigilance play a very critical role to providing safety of drug. In herbal medicine, the safety and efficacy of the drug has a key concern in both general public and health authorities. Nowadays, people are towards the herbal medicine and herbal medicinal product for the treatment of any disease. In disease control public health program, the major concern of the disease control and public health program is no such safety and regulatory authority, but pharmacovigilance must be a priority for every country with a public health disease control program. Now, in ecopharmacovigilance, the adverse drug reaction are related with the ecosystem in all consciousness and other. Ecopharmacovigilance such as the waste and expired drug are removed from the hospital and dumped in the sewage system. In blood bank, it also play a very important role. In dermatology, it also play an important role. In immunization and vaccination, pharmacovigilance also play an important role. These are the scope of pharmacovigilance. History behind the pharmacovigilance. In 1848, the history of pharmacovigilance was marked when the first adverse reaction was observed in a young girl. She died due to because of intake of anesthesia chloroform. Later that Sir James Gibson introduced the chloroform was a powerful and safer anesthesia. It is clinically proved. 1937, some children and person died due to because of use of sulfonamide, which contain diethyl glycol, which used as a solvent. The solvent are causing death. 1961, the thalidomide tragedy was happened. The thalidomide was used in the other foreign countries. Later that it used this drug thalidomide in India for the pregnant women for the treatment of nausea and morning sickness. The intake of thalidomide, women intake the thalidomide to cause the congenital disease in babies, which is cause of phocomelia. The thalidomide is the biggest man-made disaster. Pharmacovigilance in India was introduced in 1986 with the formal introduction of adverse reaction under the guidance of Drug Controller of India. The main purpose of this program is to generate the data of adverse drug reaction and spontaneous reporting. Some centers are in India: Delhi, Mumbai, Pondicherry, Lucknow. 1937, the India became a part of WHO program for the International Drug Safety Monitoring, controlled by the Upasla Monitoring Center in Sweden. Now see the pharmacovigilance program in India. On 14 July 2010, the Government of India started the pharmacovigilance program in India with All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. The mission of Indian pharmacovigilance is to protect the public health of the Indian population to ensuring the benefit, risk, associated use, and the vision is to improve the patient safety in the Indian population by monitoring the drug safety. Thank you.